4 ways to improve spine mobility for back pain relief. If you have a traditional foam roller, simply throw it down, you would lay over it. I like to just wrap my hands around my head, bring my elbows together, and hinge back over repeatedly. This is one way to improve the mobility here. For some people, it may not feel good with that direct pressure, or they might just not have a foam roller. You don't need a foam roller or a roller of any kind. You can use many different things. The next thing we can use is a chair. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my elbows on the chair. I'm going to sit back, and I can even use my hands to push on my upper back even, to get a little bit more pressure, sink into it repetitively. Just like this, multiple times. In addition, if for some reason you don't have a chair, you can use a wall. There's 2 ways you can use a wall. One, you can be in a kneeling position. Before your hands are flat on the wall, sit your hips back and push your chest through. Once again, do this repetitively. Yep, just like that, buddy. You're gonna open up your lats, you're gonna open up your shoulders, and you're gonna get mobility through your spine and into an overhead position. And then finally, you can also do it in a standing position. So simply stand up, lean into the wall, push your hips back, sink through. You're gonna get a huge stretch in your entire mid back and upper back. You will feel really, really good from this one. And these are 4 ways that you can improve your spine mobility to reduce back pain.